Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be looking at automatic updates right here on your Mac. So let's get started. On the top left hand side of your screen you're going to see the Apple logo. Just click on that Apple logo and you're going to go into the App Store or your system preferences. We're going to be looking at both automatic updates. So let's start off with system preferences. Alright, once we open up system preferences we're going to see software update down here below on the left hand side. Just click on it and then from here we are going to see this, which on the bottom, we're going to see automatically keep Mac up to date. We can just have a check mark there, unlock, and then that's it. Just have that check mark there. It's going to update by itself. However, I always suggest turning it off. So make sure if you have a check mark, turn it off by just tapping on it and then turn off automatic updates. This is what a lot of you may want, others may not. What I always suggest turning off. So we're exactly going to do that. And that's it. So that's how you can turn off and on automatic updates on your Mac. Now just in case, I always suggest turning off automatic updates. That's because some updates you may want to wait for just a little bit in order to update your Mac, because they sometimes do come with glitches. Besides that, we can always click down here on the bottom right hand side. You will see advanced. Just click right there and we're going to see this menu popping up. So we can always have check updates, download new updates when available, install macOS updates, and install app updates from the App Store. So whether you guys have a check mark on all of these or not, that's how you guys can turn them on and turn them off. So right now they would be all turned on, or I can go ahead and turn this one off, and then it's just gonna turn off the other ones as well. Now although install system data files and security updates very important, we're just gonna turn that off as well. So that's how you guys can turn off and on any specific updates that you want from your macOS. However, checking for updates, you always will want that on. So we're just going to click on OK, and that's it for that part. However, if you want to look at the App Store updates, let's go back on the top left hand side. Again, Apple logo. We're going to launch our App Store. Once our App Store opens up, we can just click on the App Store on the left hand side, and then we're going to select Preferences. Then we're going to see this open up. So right now you should say automatic updates up here, and then automatically download apps purchased on other devices. So what does that mean? If we purchase an app from any other Mac, that means this one will automatically download it as well if we have a check mark right here. So we can always click to have that check mark turned on. Same goes with automatic updates. Right now they're turned off. So to turn them on, just put a check mark down here below, and there you go. You have them both turned on. In order to turn them off, just take those check marks off and you're done. But anyways, that would be it for this video. That's how you guys can turn off and on any automatic updates right here on your Mac. If you have any problems, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.